Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use overlay blending in CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my CapCut, and first of all, I'm going to create new project. I'm going to click on new project, and then I'm going to blend this video with this video. For example, I'm going to import the first video, and we can click on add, and after that we're going to go to the overlay button and then click on add overlay, and I'm going to add the second video. Okay, and now my two videos have been added to the project, and if we want to blend two video, we can go to the blend option or the splice option. You're gonna click on this option, and then you have to click on overlay. Since we want to use the overlay blending, select overlay and click on the check mark, and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to use overlay blending in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.